Okay, a new tutorial depends software, OpenToonz. I used to use it quite a lot basically as it is a free software and I love free versions like Blender also. Recently I checked some YouTube videos that there is a lots of OpenToonz tutorial and I think many people is currently using it actually. It is not as vast popular like Toon Boom or Animate I think or Moho in fact, but it's it is quite capable I think. Anyway, today's tutorial I have selected like masking in OpenToonz, like we do in Moho or Toon Boom Harmony, and I can get the same functionality like those software Moho and Toon Boom Harmony in OpenToonz also, and it's quite easy also. So let's start that. I'll show something on a head turn basically, as we need masking on that most of the time. So first create some graphics like I'm not going to in details like what is this of panels or this or something like that toolbar or something, and maybe I'll create in the future on every detail tools and options. But today's I am just dive into the masking part. So let's start with the face modeling or face, creating the face basically, basic shapes like a head, name it, so we can identify those layers basically easily. Maybe copy the color from there and paste it. This will be nose, and let's create the face and just create something like mouth color like that or something. Okay, maybe mouth, and now Okay, so just make the teeth also. That's it. For now, I am hiding this teeth layer, and anyway, so click the composite because they are here. I we will use all those effects things, and maybe your look something different, like this one, this, or maybe like um, this this for the painting. So make sure you are on this toggle section, like effects tab. Okay, as this is, you can see that toggle effects or stage schematic view. So make sure you are on the effects toggle effects thing. This one is schematic view and this one is effects. So just make this one and make it like this so you can see more. So first, this one is the text version, so you can hide it now as it is a text version. So just leave it here. Okay, so now our main work will be right now face and the mouth. Okay, so just select this, I mean, organize these two in one area. So first, mouth, you can select it and right click on it, insert effects, or you can without selecting right click on insert effects. But difference is this: if you select it and like we will take matte in, it will automatically connect on this. Or if but if you just right click and select create one, it will create like separate, and you have to move and connect with this like as we do in Tunum Harmony. If you know, just alt and drag. So this is the source, and we will create this mat, and that's it. So for now, you may think that nothing happened, but it happened actually. Like if we select this mouth layer and just center it, okay, and if you move it, you can see this. It is must. So this way, right? So for now, leave it here, as we need this part should be removed. Otherwise, it is not look good or not useful too. For this, we have to work on some nodes. Two nodes required. Just right click and take from Toonz level palette filter. It is the essential one. We can remove any colors from our shapes or from our drawing, any or more than one, two, three, or anything. So we have to remove this one, this part actually, this color brownish. And another note we will need is layer blending, like over. Okay, so just move those things. First, make another note which will be layer blending in INO and subtract. Okay, we can use this over effects like here also, like layer blending. I know there is two, layer blending and layer blending. I know here also one is over. I know, but here we will get only two. So we need more than two. So we using the previous one. So just take this and mouth layer. Take this source. We can see this mouth layer. Just if you select, there will you can see this colors changing here. So we'll say if you select this mouth, you can see this color is color 2. So palette filter, make one is black one. So 1 2, or maybe 2, if we select 2 and make it keep, and using these areas delete all lines or something like that, maybe we can see, maybe keep 1 and 2. Okay, so over here, just for testing it working, just delete this node and subtract here, click back and drag it. Okay, so we need to move this face, remove this face also. And now maybe it is a little confusing, but it is good one. It is easy actually. So now this one is coming over apex. Uh, just select this, select this. Okay, so now we need to move nose, just hide this, hide this. We don't need it now, and we can remove this here also. Anyway, don't hide those actually, just reorganize first. So maybe uh, here part should be in top, here part also should be in top, like under here. So we can move it under here, and nose also should be in top, like this. So yes, now we need this outline basically. So just click here and just keep, yes, areas read or lines, just keep areas read or lines and action to keep. So it is going from mouth layer to palette filter, and which part to select from here, like areas, only areas, so no outlines, so delete all lines and this action to keep. So here it translates to only this color, this dark brown color, and from there it goes to subtract. And here we are using the face, masking masked one, this face with this mouth, Here we get the back and this subtract the top, this mouth subtracting this face. So we will get this one. And that's all. So now it is all okay. We can use this one teeth, and this one should be under this face. So move this one under the face actually, under the head basically, like uh, face this one, this. Okay, and they make another layer like paste insert before, sorry, save it, and insert before, and we'll get just like this, and maybe we'll use this one, and maybe we can uh, just fine tune it. Okay, so save and complete. That's it. Same thing for the eye, only the pupils part basically. So we will create, we go move just pupil and eye. So take insert style, sorry, matte, and matte in, matte, and that's it. So select this pupil and it will work like easy way, right? And if we need to move this eye also, then we have to go this matte and just take matte out, maybe this time, or maybe matte in also, just checking it's matte in. So eyes and pupils, so this one is also in there. And actually this one we have two separate nodes, but we need to have and two separate node connecting to this exit and output, so we have to combine these two. So as we need to combine, we have to do use this over, so it will combine together. Let's take layer blending and over, source, source, and source. Just delete this one. Okay, so now it's combined in one, two combined in one. Now we can use matte here, matte, and for this part we may have to do connect this face one, as face should be the cutter here. So just minimize it with, take this face node and directly use this matte. Okay, so now if we go just eye, we can see this is cutting. Okay, so that's it, and we can move to a 360 head turn just without this here actually. So let's go here, and if we select this head, mouth, and you can see this is cutting easily. So we can turn the head easily, just like this, and we can, and then we will move this layer, this cutter in back part basically, and we definitely we need to uh, maybe make separate layer, and just move this way and make it two. We can select this, and we can move this. Okay, and as easy like taking the teeth and move it. Use eyes, or maybe we can paint eyes and pupils together. So just go with this composite again, and this time we will select this one again. So we move to schematic view and just creating pupil and eye. So pupil should be connected with this eyes. So these two can move together. Okay, and so we can move this pupil here, and we can move this eye here, and we can move the nose, and maybe we can do the clipping things or something like that, or morphing anything we want. So maybe make it two. So just go this way. Select it like this, and, and definitely we can use this head, I mean ear. uh, for animating the ear we have to move this cut pasting in the bottom. So just move it to bottom, and that's it. Maybe scale it, just this way, and we can move your head also. We can move maybe this one. We can move, just select this pen tool. Okay, to just gone too much actually. This one, and just create another eye here. So just copy it and make it another layer actually. Oops, sorry. So just copy column and paste here. Actually, paste inside after. Yes, paste column and just repeat like this, and we can move it over here. It's this way. So this one, and we can now just select these two, just to go with this, and maybe we can select one over here. So just one, two, three, four, five, six. Let's see if it works. Yes, it will work. So let's go with this. I'm showing you everything basically. Easy way, right? So uh, just one, two, three, four, five, six, and create keyframes for all this basically. As you insert multiple keys, and from here I am going to remove multiple keys. Remove multiple keys. So it will snap back to the previous one, previous shape. Maybe. Oh no, it does not. So let's see, and we have to put one. I have not done this one, so we have to move anyway. So just like one, and this one, and the first layer we will move this way, and with this way, and with this way. Just creating the head turn basically, nothing else. So this way, and for now we can move it with this, and we can move it to minus 2 maybe. So you it can move back. So and here we will get one or two or anything like that. So just do this one. Okay, and for the teeth, this one, and for this, just use this, and the teeth, that, this one, and put the eye here, maybe this one, and the pupil, just select. Maybe we can move it, or we can work on this part separately, just like the face mouth part or anything like that, or we can animate it separately anyway. So just this, and just create the hair a bit left sided, I think. So it will look more natural. Wait, in 1 second. So this is a complete masking thing. We can move this here, like this one should be over here. This one, this, yes, this one and this one should be over here also. So let's check it, this one and this one. And this one over here. So we can select this and maybe a bit this. So yes, and I'm just fine tuning everything, nothing else. So just move it over here. As the mouse goes. Yeah. So basically, let's make it 12 and play it. Make it 6. And yes, we can do definitely this one also, like the motion thing. So make one. So just make one and go with two. So 6 frame. And maybe we can do yes in between and just click and drag over here. So everything is fine. For the two, we have to this, and if we hold this one, maybe three, four, five, just like this. Two. Anyway, so yeah, it is working. So this is something we do masking in OpenToonz. Thank you.